Look what I just bought. Yeah, see, I don't really have any foliage at my place, no green at all. And I hear spinach is pretty easy to grow. So I thought this would be a great place to start. It'll pretty up the place. The thing is, that was all I really cared about at first, a pretty plant. But after thinking about it, it will be more than that, won't it? I mean, I can eat it too. I do love spinach. And it's more than that. I mean, after a little research, I found out that growing plants is great for the environment and it'll clean up the air in my home. I love a multi-purpose plant, but it's more than that too. Because when I get into my routine and start to nurture this beautiful plant, it might just become my friend. Look how happy this guy is.
Hey David, how are you?
And the same line of thinking can be said about your tire tread. Well, up until the friendship part, unless that's your thing, and who am I to judge? And it probably won't really pretty your place up much, but my point is that tread goes far beyond aesthetics, just like this little spinach plant here. If you don't believe me, stick around. Come on, little spinach plant. One day I'm gonna retire, and you're gonna host this show.
Wahoo!
Consider your tire tread. Very fancy. But it's more than that. It plays a huge part in defining the traction and rolling resistance of your tires. But it's more than that too. Tread patterns affect all kinds of performance criteria for your trucks, like traction and braking, tire removal mileage, fuel efficiency, maneuverability, noise, driver comfort, tire durability, and resistance to stone retention and stone drilling. This is why tire companies have tread pattern specialists on staff who know what patterns perform best in certain applications when starting a new design. When it comes to tread pattern development, tire engineers will first identify the type of truck appropriate for the design, then the wheel position, then application, and finally the characteristics they want from the tire. A waste haul truck experiences a lot of braking and acceleration, predominantly right-hand turns, and a lot of debris that is hazardous to tires. On the other hand, a long haul truck will experience higher speeds, a lot of straight line driving, and a high expectation for fuel efficiency. For long haul trucking tires, a company might develop tires with a standard 5-rib pattern, optimizing performance in the rolling resistance category. For vocational applications, such as in construction, a deeper 4-rib tread design is a better choice to combat the high rate of scrubbing the tires will encounter. Typically, tread patterns with fewer sipes, straight ribs, and less tread depth will lower rolling resistance. Less tread depth keeps the tread from squirming under load, which is directionally better for rolling resistance. Here's one for all the long-haul fleet managers. Have you noticed your drive tires wearing faster than tires on the steer or trailer axles? There's a reason for that. A drive axle tire often has a deeper tread depth than a steer or trailer axle tire. The more open the tread design, the quicker it will wear. So the drive axle tire will initially wear faster simply due to the instability of the blocks when new. As the blocks wear down, the miles per 32nd inch of rubber will increase as the blocks become more stable at lower tread depths. An open shoulder design coupled with deep tread will give the best overall traction performance. In a long-haul application, a drive tire is different from a steer or trailer tire since it's designed to go straight and have torque applied. For more trucking equipment content, head over to fleetequipmentmag.com. Thanks for watching.